Hey everybody, it's Dr. Gaffney from Dr. Gaffney Best Foot, saving you time and money in your foot care decisions. So if you're diabetic and you have a corn and you really want to get rid of it, there are some over-the-counter products that are very dangerous for diabetics. I'm going to share what they are, but the reason why they're dangerous is many diabetics have what's called neuropathy, where their nerves aren't functioning right from the high sugars over time, so you're not feeling things properly. So the over-the-counter products that I'm talking about, the medicated corns, the medicated callus pads, they have what's called salicylic acid in them. So what that can do, it can eat away the skin and cause a sore, or what we call an ulceration. And anytime there's a break in the skin, you've lost your first layer of defense against bacteria, so you can get an infection and it can turn really bad. In fact, I've had to do amputations over people using medicated corn pads and medicated callus pads, so please avoid that. I have done episodes on how to get rid of a corn. The best thing to do when you're diabetic is see your podiatrist for any care of corn removal and things like that, callus removal.
Here's some examples of some of these products at a local drugstore that can be dangerous to a diabetic. Anything with salicylic acid in it can eat away the top layer of skin and cause a wound.
Thanks so much for watching. Here's to your best foot forward.